Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Malwarebytes Web Protection settings for privacy defense, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Malwarebytes on your computer. From the main dashboard, locate the settings option in the menu. Click on the settings tab to access various configuration options. In the settings menu, find and select the security section. Look for the web protection toggle switch. Ensure that the web protection feature is turned on. If it is off, click the toggle to activate it. After enabling web protection, scroll down to find Web Protection Settings. Click on Web Protection Settings to open its configuration. In this menu, review the options available for web threat protection. Ensure that all relevant options for blocking malicious websites are enabled. Look for the Allow List feature to customize your settings. If there are sites you frequently visit that are flagged incorrectly, you can add them here. To add a site, click the Add button and enter the website URL. After entering the URL, confirm the addition by clicking OK. Review any other custom settings related to web protection. Make adjustments as needed, especially regarding potential privacy concerns. Once you have configured the settings to your satisfaction, return to the main dashboard. Finally, run a quick scan to ensure that your system is protected with the new settings. Regularly check these settings to ensure continued privacy defense. Closing the program will save your settings automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.